Hello fellow Ghostbusters and welcome back to 3D Printed Soup. Had a request for a follow-up video on my real Ghostbusters firehouse repair, and yeah, I was asked could I do a slightly more detailed sign for the front of the firehouse. So I had to dig around on Cults and Thingiverse and found a 3D version of the film sign from Ghostbusters. So here's a quick video on how I built it and painted it. After I had stuck that on the side of the firehouse, I realised that the front was actually peeling off, and yeah, the entire sign split into about 4 pieces. Luckily though, the Ghostbuster sign itself was a separate piece, so I took the old sign I printed from my last print, glued it on, and now it's an actually even better sign that looks like the old one combined with a new one. So good times! As always, from me, Ben at 3D Printed Soup, stay happy and safe. All the files I've used are linked below, so yep, feel free to download and give us a print. Stay happy and safe, and keep printing.